Staffel. Today we are going to learn about simultaneous equations by using substitution method. What is the substitution method? The method that we can substitute between one equations to the other equations. So let's see the example directly. Okay, if you have equations x plus y equals 10 and you need to simultaneous with x minus 1 minus y equals 4, so by using the substitution method you just need to find out x or y from its equations. For example, you want to find out x or y from these equations. Why I cross this one? Yes, or you can find x on or y from these equations. It's up to you. The answer at the end, it will be the same. Okay, let's start. If I want to try this first, the important thing that you have to know, make it into x equals or y equals. Don't make it into minus y equals. Yeah, so must in x equals or y equals. Okay, let's see. Just choose one of them. X equals 10 minus y. So from this equation we get x equals 10 minus y. So put these equations to the other equation. Substitute the x in the other equations as 10 minus y, because we get from this. Let me this one. Okay, do you understand? So minus y, just continue so on, just continue to paste the equations. And now let's simplify this first. Minus y, so minus with minus, it will be minus, yeah, minus 2y. 4. Okay, if you forgot how to add minus y with y or x with y like that, you can see my videos about algebra manipulation. In that video I explain about this. Okay, so let's continue. Minus 2y equals 4. 10 from the left side to the right side become minus 10. Minus 2y equals 4 minus 10 minus 6. So y equals minus 6 per minus 2 minus with minus plus 6 divided by 2, 3. You get 3. Yes, as y. Now you have to find the x. How to find x? Just go to these equations again, because in these equations, yeah, x equals 10 minus y, so just put 10 minus y. You got plus 3 as y before, right? So just put here 3 equals 7. So the answer 7 and 3, x and y, this one. So the answer is 7.3. Yes, it's so fast, faster than graphical method. Okay, let's see the other example to make you more understand about this. 5x minus 3y equals 1 and 3x minus y minus 5 equals 0. Okay, from these equations, both of the equation, you need to find out the simultaneous of the equations. Yeah. So how to figure it? Look at the coefficient. 5 minus 3, 3, and this is 1. So I suggest you to choose the 1. Why? Let's see why you have to choose the 1. Yeah. Okay, so I use this first, minus y. Yeah, so just choose the smallest coefficient from the equations as x or y to substitute with the other equations. Okay, do you get it? Because when, for example, if you choose this one, so it will make like this, minus 3y equals 1 minus 5x, right? Y equals 1 minus 5x per minus 3, or divided by minus 3. So I don't like to write, I don't like to work in fractions like this. It's a little bit more difficult. So that's why I choose the smallest coefficient, or if better is 1. So I don't need to divide it again by minus 3 if there is 1 as a coefficient. Okay, so I erase this one. I don't want to choose this as the substitute. Okay, so I just choose this one, minus y. So put all the others except minus y to the right side, change the sign, minus 3x plus 5. So y equals minus 3x plus 5 divided by all by minus 1. Okay, so minus with minus plus 3x, plus with minus plus divided by minus, minus 5. So we get the y equals minus 3x per minus 5. Put this or substitute y in the other equations. So 5x just copy, y change, substitute with 3x minus 5 equals 1. So continue with 5x minus 3 times 3x, 9x, 3 times minus 5, minus times minus plus 3 times 5, 15 equals 1. 5x minus 9x equals minus 4x, and we want to move the 15 go to the right, so we change the symbol, become minus 14. So minus 4x equals 1 minus 14, it will minus 13, yes, and x equals minus 13 per minus 4, minus with minus equals plus, 13 divided by 4, 3, 1 per 4. So after you get the x, continue with this one again. Y equals 3x, change x into 13 per 4 that you get from here, this one, change, yeah, and minus 5. So I change the color. We cannot do the cancellation between these two, so just times the up, 3 times 13, 39 per 4 minus 5. Remember about the fraction, 39 per 4 minus, this is the whole numbers 5, so we have in the fraction, change it into the fraction also. So the denominator must be 4, so 5 times 4, 20. Remember in the fraction, must, when you want to subtract or add the fraction, must be in the same denominator. 39 minus 20 equals 19 per 4. So 19 divided by 4 equals, yes, 4. And the remainder 3 per 4. So you get, yeah, the answer. X 3, 1 per 4, and Y 4, 3 per 4. That's done. Okay. Let's see, let's check again if there is, perhaps if we're afraid there is a mistake. Okay, there is no 39 per 4, 24, yes, so it's easier, and also by using this method and one more elimination method, it's easier and also help us save the time, so we don't need much time to solve these questions. Okay, let's see the other example to make you more understand. Look at the coefficient first. 21, 12, 7, 4. Which one is the smallest? Yes, good, 4. So just use this one to substitute. For y, the others 7x and minus 2, 28 move to the right side. So becomes minus 7x plus 28. Y equals minus 7x plus 28 per 4. Okay, and continue with let me like this. Let the equations like this. Yes, it's okay. Or if you want to change to simplify first again with minus 7x per 4 plus 28 per 4 equals 7. So you can use also. If you want to be like this also, it's okay, because at the end it will be the same. Okay, substitute the y to the other equations. Don't use the same equations. 21x plus 12y minus 7x plus 28 per 4 equals 84. So 21x plus, look, you can do the cancellation between 12 with 4 divided by the same number. 4 divided by 4, 1. 12 divided by 4, 3. So continue with multiplication. 3 times minus 7x equals minus 21x. 3 times 28 equals 4, 84. And equals 84. Is that correct? 3, 4, 2. Yes, correct. Okay, let's see. 21x minus 21x 0. And 84 minus 84, 0. So, yes. So, what is talk about? Actually, if you get like this, so this is line is exactly same. So if I draw, maybe the line it will be like this, both of them in the same. So what is the simultaneous result from this one? So the x and y, it will be, there is no the simultaneous result. It means all it not exactly at the point, but all the points in this line. Okay, so that is the answer. Yeah, there are so many. There are we can say that, so the answer is infinite points. Yeah, you can check this also from, look, 7x become 21x times 3. Yes, 12 from, this is also from 4 into 12 y times 3 also. 28 times 3 also become 84. So that is in the same line. Yeah. Okay, let's see the other example. How to solve this? Okay, to solve these equations, because there are fractions, so we have to multiply all the fraction with the same number. Yeah, so you have to find the LCM of 5, 4, and 3. Okay, so the easiest to find the LCM, just like this. What is the multiplication of 5 that can divided by 4 and 3? So, or just 5 times 4, 20. 20 can divided by 3? No. So 20 times 3. Okay, or just multiply all the denominator. 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 3, 60. You can think like this also, like that. Okay, so 60 times x per 5. 60 also times y per 4 minus 60 also times 1 per 3. 5 cancellation with 60 divided by same number, 5 also equals 12. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. So 60 divided by 4, 15. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. And this is also do the cancellation, 20. So you get the answer, 12x minus 15y equals 20. If this is possible to simplify, you can simplify by the same number, divide it. But because this cannot, these equations, because when we divide it by 2, so 15 cannot divide it by 2. But when we divide it by 3, 20 cannot divide it by 3. So let this equation like this. Yeah, just like 12x minus 15y equals 20. Okay, let's continue with this one. It's easy also, just 2 times 3, 6. 6, or just look at the greatest denominator, 6. 6 divided by 2 can, 6 divided by 3 can, so just change with 6, just multiply with 6, sorry. Multiply all that with 6. Okay. So 2 do cancellation with 6 become 3. 3 do cancellation with 6 equals 2. 6 with 6 also just 1. Okay, you get the answer, 3x plus 2y equals 5. Remember to substitute, just choose which one is the smallest coefficient. Yes, in this case 2y. 2y equals 5 minus 3x. Y equals 5 minus 3x per 2. Now, substitute the y to the other equations. So we get 12x minus 15y to y change with 5 minus 3x per 2 equals 20. Okay, continues on because we cannot do the cancellations. So just 15 times 5, 75 per 2. 15 times 3, 45x per 2. And don't forget minus, multiply minus become plus 20. So wow, it's a little bit difficult because of the decimal, because of the fraction, the denominator. So if you think that's a little bit confusing, just multiply all with 2. Yes, 2 times 12x. Why? Because we want to make the denominator gone. There is no more to not make us confused. But remember when you want to multiply by 2, you have to remember that all numbers or all term must multiply by 2. Okay, a little bit long. 24x is the cancellation, 75 cancellation also, 45x, 40. So 24x plus 45x equals 69x. 40 plus 75 because change to the right side equals 100. So just x equals 115 per 69. This is okay. So the answer it will be 146 per 69. Change into the simplest number divided by 23. 2 per 3. Okay, now back again to here. Yes, to find out y equals 5 minus 3 x 1 2 per 3 in improper fraction. 1 times 3 plus 2 5 per 3 per 2. Okay, so 5 minus 3 cancellation with 3 minus 5, this is 2. 0 per 2, 0. So that is the answer. 1 2 per 3.0. That is the answer of simultaneous these equations. Yes, I hope you can understand about this. That's all my explanation about simultaneous equation by using substitution. One more that I have to explain about elimination. Okay, in the next video I'm going to explain about that. Then I like that method more than the other method. Okay, bye bye. Okay, see you in another videos. Let's learn about math, physics, or the other subject. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.